Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Wow, absolutely stunning Cleopatra style bob with the bangs in the front. Then we see someone rocking a curly fro. Wow, she went blonde and went with a short faded cut. Very cute. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we have a pixie hair transformation. So it looks like the stylist is cutting some bangs with this one. Oh wow, absolutely stunning. She looks beautiful. And then we have a long to short transformation. So it looks like the stylist is going to be going quite short with this one and doing a pixie. Looks like he added some blonde mixed in with the color as well. And then we have a bob hair transformation. Her hair looks so effortless and chic. Followed by a beautiful layered lob style. Wow, absolutely gorgeous asymmetrical pixie cuts. This is a very popular trend at the moment. A lot of women are trying out the asymmetrical pixie style. This is a great option if you do have hair on the thinner side and you are looking to allow your hair to appear a little bit more thicker. Oh, beautiful hair color change for that one. Wow, stunning red mushroom style pixie cuts. Absolutely gorgeous color and cut combo. So let us know in the comments below which hair transformation from today's video is your favorite. I think I might have to give it to this red pixie cut. This is just absolutely stunning. Next up, we see someone with some shoulder length strands just above the shoulders. I already adored her hair color, and I think that the cut really just enhances the color. So beautiful. So it looks kind of like she just got like a longer pixie style. Side swept bangs in the front, shaven nape area, very chic and modern. So if you guys are in the mood for even more inspiring hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.